This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from your iPhone to your iPad. This is actually really easy to do. So if you swipe down from the top right and you go to this little option on your iPhone, your iPad, you can just tap this and turn it on. And then if we go to this, we can AirDrop everyone for 10 minutes. So if you have this turned on, you can just go to your photos now and you should be able to AirDrop them to that person. So we can hit select and tap on a few photos, and then we go to share. There's an option for AirDrop right here. So if someone is close to you and they have this AirDrop option turned on, you should be able to send it to that person. So select them and just have that turned on. Now another way that you could share photos if you have iCloud sync turned on. So if you go to settings right here, scroll on up to your name, tap your name, then go to iCloud right here, and you only have 5 gigabytes. That's the downside. But if you go to see all, if you turn on iCloud photos right here, if you're on the same account, you should be able to sync up your iPad with your iPhone and then view the same photos. So if you take something, you should be able to see it. So that works as well. Now another option is if you use a USB drive just like this, and it has USB-C, and then it has USB on the other end. So you can just connect your USB drive, connect it to where it charges, right here, voila. And then what we want to do is go to our photos. So we want to go to a photo now and go to select, and just tap on the photos you want to transfer. Go to share down here on the bottom, and then we want to save the files. Then you can see my USB drive is on here. We can tap this, and then we can save it to a file location. So let's just save it in here, and you can see the photos are being saved. Now when you plug this into your iPhone or iPad, go all the way to the right and locate files. So we can go to files right now. Here's files. We can see our USB right here. We can go to select, and we can transfer our photos over to our iPad or iPhone now. So we can save those images on here now. So we can go to save images, and they should be saved to our iPad now. Or we could just try moving them. So we can go to this option, and we could try going to select all. Or we can copy items, and we could try placing them in here. That will work too. And that will be on your iPhone now. So you can see this is on here now. I believe there's a way that we can move this to our gallery too. So we try saving it and then just seeing if that's in our gallery. Or you can see there's an option to copy it. We can print it. We can add to shared album as well. So just look at all those different options in here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.